Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Tipsy V stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 12 plus 4. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. You're going to make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 stitches into the next one, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same stitch together. Now you're going to make 2 chains, skip 4 stitches, then into each of the next 5 stitches, make 1 double crochet. So we're skipping 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting with this stitch, we're making 5 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to start repeating from skipping these 2 stitches here. So skip 2 stitches into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now make 2 chains, skip 4 stitches, then make 1 double crochet into each of the next stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, and at the end of your row, if you only have 1 left, work 2 double crochet into that last stitch to end on those 5 double crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a double crochet, so you could skip the first stitch. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. We're going to get into our sequence from here. Skip this chain space into this next chain space right here. You're going to make the same thing that we made in our last row. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet all into that chain space together. Now we're going to skip this next chain space and then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. And that is going to be our sequence. So we're going to start repeating from skipping this next chain space. So we're skipping this one right here into this next chain space here, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet all into that space together, then skip the next chain space, and then into each of the last stitches make 1 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the end of your row you're going to have some chains left. These chains count as a double crochet, so into the top of those chains you're going to make a double crochet to give you that 5th one to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the Tipsy V stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.